Yes, and here's the latest update regarding the numbers on the 416 fire. 5,000 acres and counting, containment only at 10%. And there is the perimeter of the fire right along Highway 550 north of Hermosa and north of Durango. So why has it been so difficult to try to contain this fire? Well, there are several reasons. One, obviously, the weather. It has been hot and dry here for the past several days, weeks, and even months, along with high winds. Then you have steep, rugged terrain, which makes it difficult for hotshot crews to hike and fight the fire. Then you have low visibility because of the thick smoke. Air tankers and helicopters can't see the drop zone, so that makes things difficult.